Hi everyone, I'm Swaroop, and you are tuned in to the 532nd episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring to you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news. In a recent conversation with Outlook Money, our very own Dr. Tapan Singhel, MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, shared a powerful message. Travel insurance isn't just a policy, it is peace of mind. Think about it. When we plan a trip, we dream of adventure, relaxation, discovery. But what if something goes wrong? A missed flight, a medical emergency, lost luggage, or even a stolen passport. In these moments, travel insurance becomes your lifeline. Dr. Singhel emphasizes that comprehensive travel insurance can cover everything from hospitalization and emergency cash to helicopter evacuation and trip cancellations. And the cost? Often less than 1% of your total travel expense. His advice is simple: don't skimp on coverage. Buy a policy that protects you from the unexpected because the future is unpredictable and your well being should not be. So, before you pack your bags, pack protection. Travel smart, travel safe, and travel insured. Up next, we spotlight a government initiative from Outlook Money. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, a name synonymous with trust and innovation, has joined hands with Cred Garage as an insurance partner. This is not just another partnership, it is a bold step towards making insurance more accessible, intuitive, and customer centric. Imagine this: you are a car owner who values convenience and transparency. With Bajaj Allianz now integrated into Cred Garage, you get seamless access to motor insurance solutions right where you manage your vehicle's digital profile. It is insurance that moves with you, literally. What makes this exciting is Bajaj Allianz's commitment to a digital first experience. By partnering with Cred Garage, they are not just offering policies, they are offering peace of mind. From instant quotes to hassle free claims, it is all about empowering you with smarter choices. And let's not forget the bigger picture. This collaboration reflects Bajaj Allianz's vision to redefine insurance in India, making it more proactive, more personalized, and more positive. Our next update is from News 18. Starting August 1st, SBI Card has announced a significant update. The complimentary air accident insurance cover previously offered on select co-branded credit cards is being discontinued. This includes cards like Elite and Prime variants issued in partnership with banks such as UCO Bank, Central Bank of India, Karur Vyasa Bank, and Allahabad Bank. While this may seem like a step back, it is actually an opportunity for insurers and customers alike to rethink travel protection. The move signals a shift towards more customized, standalone travel insurance products that offer broader coverage, flexible benefits, and real time assistance. Our final story today is from News 18. The Life Insurance Corporation of India has launched the Bima Sakhi Yojana, a visionary scheme designed to empower women by turning them into financial ambassadors of change. Under this scheme, women aged 18 to 70 who have completed at least Class 10 can become LIC agents called Bima Sakhis. They receive specialized training and a monthly stipend of Rs 7,000 in the first year, Rs 6,000 in the second, and Rs 5,000 in the third. Plus, they earn commissions with potential monthly earnings reaching Rs 15,000 or more. LIC plans to onboard 2 lakh Bima Sakhis over 3 years, starting with 25,000 in 2025. That's 2 lakh stories of courage, ambition, and transformation. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.